All right, guys, welcome back to lesson 3.9, addition, two-digit numbers using number chart. Now onto the warm-up. What is the total cost of these fruits? Banana is 21 and apples are 48 baht. So what is the total cost of the fruits? And how can you figure it out? And how to add this mentally without writing it down? And also, how can you use a number chart to show how you add the two numbers? The first guy said, I will start with 48. Start with the greater number, 48, the greater number, and work with the ones first. Work with the ones, that is the ones, 1. So from 48 to 49, that is 1. So 48 plus 1 is 49. Then 49 plus 20 is, so 49, 20, 10, 20 is 69. That is how I got it, the total. And this second guy is saying, I will start with 48 and add the tens first. So starting with the greater number, 48, and add the tens. So will be 48 plus 20 will be 68. 48. 10 plus 10 plus 10, 68. Then plus 1. Then add one more is 69. So which method do you like best? A or B? Yeah, which method do you like best? A or B? Any of this method can be used depending on which method you like best. You can add the ones first and add the tens later. You can add the tens first and add the ones later. And why does each method start with the number that is greater? We start with the number that is greater because it will make the lesser number easier to calculate. The lesser number will be easier to calculate. Now let's go on to the workout. Draw arrows on the chart above to show how you add each of these. So for 54 plus 11, the greater number is 54. So from 54, start by counting tens first, 1 tens. You go 64, goes this way, 64. Then plus 1 will be 65. So we have 65. Part B, 43, 23. We have 43 to be the greatest number. So 43 plus 20. So 43 will be let's add the ones first. The ones will be 1, 2, 3. So from 43, we have 1, 2, 3. Then 20. 1, 2. So we have 66. 49. 49 plus 11. So 49. We add the 1, making 50, and 10 is 60. Now, 28 and 12. We use a lesser number and add it to the greater number. So 28. 12 will be 10 and 2. So 28 will go 10 and 2. 1, 2, which will be 40. So we have 40. Part E, we have 50, I beg your pardon, 35 plus 21. So we start with 35. 35. 20 is two tens and one ones, right? So from 35, we count the ones, or count the 20 first, the two tens. 35, we have 10, 20, right? Then one ones will be 56. So we have 56. 41 plus 21. So we start with 41 here. Two tens will be 10, 20, and one ones will be 52. 62, I beg your pardon, 62. Part G, 22 plus 11. So 22, we start from 22 here, 22 plus 11. We go, 11 is 1/10, right? 1/10 and one ones. So we have 33. 37 plus 31. We start with 37 and add 31, which is 3/10 and one ones. 3/10. So 37. Start with 37. 3/10. 1, 2, 3. And one ones, which is 68. 21 plus 13. 21 is greater. So we start with 21. 13 is 1/10, 3 ones, right? So we go 1/10 and 3 ones. Count on by 3. So 21, starting from 21. 21. 1/10 over here. And counting by 3. 1, 2, 3. So we have 34. So the answer is 34. There you have it, folks. Now let's go on to number 2. These are the answers for number 1. Now number 2. Start with the greater number. Write equations to show how you add the tens, then the ones, then write the total. So 62 plus 34, 62 plus 30, 3/10. Then the answer plus 4 ones. So let's trace that out. We have 62 plus 30, which is 92. 62, 72, 82, 92. That is 92. Now 92 plus 4 will be 96. So the answer will be 96. Now for this part B, we have the greater number, which is 74 plus 10, which is 84. So now 84 plus 5 will be 89. 5 plus 4 is 9. So 89. Now, part C, 16 plus 83. We use the greater number first. 83 plus 10 will be 93. Now this 93 plus 6 will be 99. 3 plus 6 is 9. Now part D, 46 and 32. The greater number is 4 tenths, right? So we write the greater number first, then plus 30. So we count in tenths, 46, 47, 48, 49. Oh, I beg your pardon, 46, 56, 66, 76. So 76. Now write the 76, then add the 2. 6 plus 2 will be 8, so it will be 78. Now let's write the numbers, the total here as well. 89, 99, and 79. 78. There you have it, folks. Now let's go on to number 3. Start with a greater number. Write equations to show how you add the ones and tens. Then write the total, just like the one that is being done for you. 56 plus 1, which is 57. So 57 plus 20, which will be 77. So 57, 67, 77. Part B, 66 plus 13. So we write 66 plus 3, the ones first, right? Then that will be 69. Now, 69 that we got here plus the tens will be 79. So let's write the total, 77, 79. Now on to the fast finishers. Write the missing numbers along this trail. So 15 plus 13. So 15 plus 10 will be 25. 25 plus 3 will be 28. 28 plus 20 will be 48 plus 1, 49. 49 plus 1 will be 50. 50 plus 10 will be 60. 60 plus 20 will be 80. 80 plus 2 will be 82. There you have it. Now let's go on to the practice. Practice 3.9. Now pause this video and do this exercise first, then come back and check the correction. Yes, pause the video, come back for the correction. Now let's go and do the correction together. Start with the greater number. Write the equation to show you how you add the tens, then the ones, then write the total. So this one, we're going to add the tens first and the ones later. So 46 plus 20 equals 66. So 66 plus 1 equals 67. So the answer is 67. Part B. So we write the greater number first, 53 plus 10 equals 63. Now 63 plus the ones, 4. 3 plus 4 is 7. So we have 67. So the answer is 67. Part B. Part C. The greater number is 52. That's what we're going to work with. Then add the tens, which is 30. 50 plus 30 will be 82. Now that 82, add the ones, which is 87. So we have 87. Part D. So the greater number is 62. Add the tens, 30, which will be 92. 92, add the ones, which will be 6. 2 plus 6 will be 8, so it will be 98. So we have 98. There you have it, folks. Now, part 2, add the ones first, then the tens later. So we're going to start with the ones. Writing the greater number, plus 2. The ones then equals 75. 75 plus 10 equals 85. So the answer is 85. Part B. The greater number is 5, so write 551. Then add the ones first, which is a 6. So 1 plus 6 is 7, 57. Now 57 plus the 2 tenths, which is 20, will be 77. Part C. The greatest number is 32. Add the ones first, which is a 7. 2 plus 7 is 9. So that'll be 39. So 39 plus 30 plus 30, which will be 69. So the answer is 69. The greater number is 53. 53 is great. 5 tenths is greater than 4 tenths, right? So now let's add the ones, which is 3 plus 5 is 8. So we have 58. Now 58, add the tenths, 40, which is 50 plus 40 will be 98. There you have it, folks. Compare your answer and do the necessary correction.